What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the cabin air filter in a 2022 Honda Odyssey. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these cabin air filters if you're in need. So our cabin air filter is going to be located behind the glove box. In order to get to it, we need to open the glove box. And if we take a look on the right-hand side, we see this dampening latch right here. This is just hooked on here, so if you get a finger and just kind of push down, it'll pop off like that, and that does take a good amount of pressure to get that off of there. Now we need to flip this glove box down, and what's preventing it from coming down is there's two stops, one on each side like this. And if you can see, this is kind of a little cutout of a tab, and this will push in like this to let that stop clear. So what we need to do is push both of those in. Like I said, there's one on each side. So I'm just going to push in on both sides in that spot that we just looked at. And that's going to allow the glove box to drop down like that. And now let's take a closer look in here. So taking a closer look in that space behind the glove box, we see two items that say airflow and then have some arrows pointing down. This bottom piece right here that says airflow on it, this is going to be the access door to the cabin filter. And there's two clips holding this cabin filter door on, one on each side like this, that you can see my pointer fingers on. That's just a clip that pushes in like that. And also on the bottom, I know it can be a little difficult to see, but if you look at what this finger's touching, you see there's that little bit of a tab right there. So what I'm going to do is take this finger and push that clip in. Then I'm going to take this finger and get up behind the tab and pull towards the camera. And that'll get that side off. And then I'll come over here, and there's, I know you can't really see this one, but there's another clip that you just need to push in. And then that whole cabin filter door will pull off like that. And now we can see our actual cabin filter right here. To get it out, you can just get a hold of the side, slide it out like that. I'm actually waiting on this filter. I don't have it right now. I'm going to have to come back to this. But when you put your new filter in, make sure you're paying attention to this airflow. You want your airflow pointing down towards the ground. And then we'll slide our new filter in. And we'll reverse everything we just did to close it up. So we'll grab our access door and line that up with the arrows pointing down as well, the airflow. Snap that into place. Then we need to get this glove box back into place. So I'm going to pick up on the glove box, and I'm going to push in on the sides on the way up like we did in the beginning to help those stops clear. Then after you get that up, it'll just be sitting on those stops like that. And the final thing we need to do is reattach our dampening latch. If we come over here, we see this latch is kind of a hook shaped, and it's just going to hook on that piece right there and then snap into place like that. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.